Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to use the Revolut referral program. So in order to do this, you will have to follow these steps. The first step is signing up for the Revolut. Download the Revolut application from your device app store. Then follow the instructions to sign up and verify your account. Now the second step is accessing the referral program. Open the Revolut app and log into your account. Now navigate to the rewards or invite friends section. This might vary depending on your location and app version. You should see an option to invite friends or share your referral link. Now, the third step is sharing your referral link. So, copy a unique referral link from the application. After that, share the link with friends, family, or on social media. You can send it via text, email, or directly through social media platforms. Now, the fourth step has to be carried out by your friend. So, it's signing up for your friend. Your friend must sign up using your referral link. They will need to verify their account and complete any required actions such as ordering a physical Revolut card, making a qualifying transactions, or topping up their account, depending on the specific terms of the referral program at that time. Now the fifth step is receiving your reward. Once your friend has completed the necessary steps, you will receive your referral reward. The reward could be in the form of cash, cashback, and other incentives. Now the sixth step is tracking your referrals. You can track the status of your referrals within the application. This will show how many friends have signed up and the rewards you have earned. So by using these steps, you can use the Revolut referral program. You can earn rewards while helping others discover Revolut's financial services. So that's how you can use Revolut referral program. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.